Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 60 from IIT JAM 2020 Mathematical Statistics. This is the last question of the whole paper, and this is a question based on section 3. That means this is a numerical answer type question. In this type of questions, we need to evaluate an answer as a numerical value and put it in the blank space. And by the question, we need to round off to two decimal places. Therefore, we need an answer rounded off in two decimal places. So let's see what is in this question. X be a random variable having normal theta comma 1 distribution where theta is belongs to R. Now consider the testing h0 is equals to theta is equals to 0 against h1 such that theta not equals to 0 at alpha equals to 0.617 level of significance. The power of the likelihood test at theta equals to 1 equals. We need to find the power at theta is equals to 1. Okay, so let's start the solution of this problem. Okay, now by the question, x is following normal theta comma 1. The hypothesis testing is h0 such that theta equals to 0 versus h1 such that theta not equals to 0, and the level of significance is 0.617. Therefore alpha by 2 is a 0.3085. Okay, now under h0, x follows normal 0 comma 1. Okay, therefore we can write probability of modulus of x greater than 0.5 is alpha by 2. Okay, therefore the critical region omega is modulus of x greater than 0.5. Let's elaborate this portion again. As we know that this is a test for mean when sigma is known. This is a test for mean when variance is known. Therefore this must be a z test. So the testing criteria must be 1 if modulus of x is greater than tau alpha by 2, that means 0.3085 and 0 otherwise, and the value of tau 0.3085 is equals to 0.5. So we get our critical region modulus of x greater than 0.5. Now the power of the test is probability under theta equals to 1 modulus of x is greater than 0.5. Now under theta is equals to 1, x follows normal 1 comma 1. Okay, therefore the required probability reduces to probability x is less than minus 0.5 plus probability x is greater than 0.5. Now x minus 1 is less than minus 1.5 plus x minus 1 is greater than minus 0.5. Now x minus 1 follows a standard normal distribution, so this reduces to capital phi of minus 1.5 plus 1 minus capital phi of minus 0.5. Okay, so the first, where capital phi is the CDF of standard normal variate. Now the first probability is 0.067 and the next probability is 0.691. So our required answer is 0.758, or we can say that 0.76 after rounding 2 decimal places. So we write 0.67 as answer. So we have solved this problem, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.